We have here on the tables under cabinet lighting with two detachable 1500 milliamp batteries. It has two modes with dimmable controls. Please remember to take on each of the little balls, the film off. We're going to charge the unit up, take a few hours to fully charge. It'll display a red light and turn green when completed. In order to find where the magnets are at, you're going to take the self-adhesive magnets and drop them on and slide them. You're going to peel this off, and that's where they're going to be sitting. This particular side has a film that you're going to peel and remove. This side you're going to do the same, peel and stick up. You're going to match like for like, slide in, turn on. A wave of a hand turns on and off. Pressing over here on the black on black is going to increase and decrease the levels. Tapping on it's going to change the kelvins. Waving the hand shuts off. There is no magnets on the battery side at all. Please make sure you keep the magnet on the main body and not the battery. There is an auto which is on, and then there is the on that you can control it. The unit is set up to the hand gesture wave. There we are, able to do our work and see. And when we're finished, we can simply just wave again. If we don't want the hand gesture wave, we put it to the on position. In the automatic position, after 25 seconds, the unit should shut down. If we walk down and near the area and it detects motion, it should come on. Under cabinet lighting or an area you need to have light, above a door, in a hallway, by a staircase, 15,000 milliamp batteries for many hours of use. I hope this product is something that you are looking for in your lighting needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.